we will learn about missing letter from your book of phonics. Which letter is missing letter? We have to write here. Okay, student, now tell me which letter is this? And what comes after letter A? What comes after letter A? We will write here letter B. Standing line and make a right curve. A, B. Next letter is C. And what comes after letter C? Now tell me what comes after letter C? Yes, very good. Letter D. Standing line and make a right curve. It's made letter D. A, B, C, D. Next letter is E. And now tell me what comes after letter E? F. Standing line and slipping line. Then one more slipping line makes F. F after is G. How to write G? Do you know how to write G? Make a curve and go up for slanting line and come down standing line. It's made G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next is H. And what comes after H? I. Make a standing line. It's made I. Next letter is J. Standing line and right curve. J. Next letter is K. K after L. Next letter is L. Standing line and joint slipping line makes letter L. L. Next letter M. Standing line, down slanting line, up slanting line and come down standing line make M. M after N. N after O. Make a circle O. Next letter is P. Standing line and right curve P. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपने phonics की बुक से इसको कंप्लीट करना है पेज नंबर 1 से। तो आप इसको यहाँ पर फुल पेज को कंप्लीट करके मुझे चेक करवाइएगा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, our next question is circle the small letters. Which letter is this? F. And where is the small letter F? Yes, this one is small letter. Circle the small letter F. Next letter is A. Okay, now tell me where is baby A? Small letter A. Yes, this one is A. Circle the small A. And which letter is this? This is H. This is H. And where is the small letter of H? Yes, this one is small H. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये वाली बुक है आपकी फोनिक्स। इसको आपने ओपन कर पेज नंबर 1 से मिसिंग लेटर कंप्लीट करने हैं और यहाँ पर स्मॉल लेटर का क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करना है। और ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी पेज नंबर 2 से राइट अ स्मॉल लेटर फॉर ईच कैपिटल लेटर। कैपिटल लेटर लिखे हुए हैं, ये आप स्मॉल लेटर यहाँ पर राइट करेंगे और इसको इन दोनों पेजेस को आप कंप्लीट करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज।